Hello everybody. I would like to share all of you about the replace timing bell. This timing bell Volvo that if you work with mechanic must understand about the TDC. This is the TDC cam bell camshaft marking. And this is the crankshaft mark TDC. Three of this is the correct because we can read in this with information. I use different model year and model vibration. Because however he initial important is always correct. Remove component. Cause remove is the ignition key. Before you work with mechanic, you must remove key from ignition key because when the car start, they can become accident when you work on machine and you start on start mode machine rotation. This they can be accident. Yes, so you must do color across the between suspension turn upper timing cover the servo reservoir expansion turn lift plan top machine. You must lift up the engine so you see the correct way for and take out the reservoir expansion timing cover. Warning: ensure that no power steering fluid is spilling. Extremely flammable. The auxiliary bell, the front timing bell. The position of engine according to marking. Remove the right front wheel. Remove the nut from the cover in the wing leader. Install the upper timing bell cover. Turn the crankshaft clockwise until the marking on the crankshaft and the camshaft polish correspond. Turn the crankshaft further at last. We return clockwise and then back again until the marking correspond. The marking are illustration. Remove the upper timing bell. So it's the same for I mentioned above. You must see the crank markera with the polish. Then he markera. This one markera from this one markera from this one. Also do rotation from clockwise to clockwise. Also, before you doing something, remove timing bell. Slacken off the bell tension. Slacken off the center screw. For the bell tension slightly, hold and the center screw till turn tension clockwise. Using a 6mm key to 10 o'clock. Then just 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. If you relieve from the 10 timing bell, you must rotation clockwise, then clockwise the 10 o'clock. Do you see this one 10 o'clock? And you reach the timing bell. Remove timing bell from. So I would like to mention about this because we are work with mechanic. We must understand correctly. We must understand clearly about the situation and the car works. So you can see my in my presentation. Then the two you want can create you can create some create what you like. Remove the vibration damper, use the upper vibration. Change the timing bell pulley and idler pulley. Change the bearing. Spin the idler pulley. Lister. If replace a new idler pulley, tie to the 24 Newton meter. Spin the tension pulley point and listen the noise. When replace, screw the tension point into the place. Use the center. You see the center. This one, the center that I mentioned. Tension must this center. This one. Then that means that the tension bell are correctly tied correctly. Just then we take this one. There is 124 Newton meter. The Titan 20 Newton meter new idler point. When replaced, screw in the center by the hand. Ensure the tension fork is center over cylinder block rib. Ensure the Allen hole on the center is the 10 o'clock. Install the timing bell. The timing bell over the point on the crankshaft. Install the vibration damper. Tension central nut tie at 180 Newton meter. Use the counter hole. Remove the counter hole. Install the tie screw. Tighten to 25 Newton and angle tie 30 degree. Install new bell. Following. Then I think that crankshaft we try 180 Newton meter. Yes. Yes, and then you can remove the counter hole. Install new screw. Counter hole. So we push it. We install crankshaft, idler point, intake crankshaft pulley, exhaust crankshaft, water pump, belt tension. Tension the timing belt. This is just carrying on the coal engine. Situation temperature approach 20 degrees 68 Fahrenheit is the high temperature. For example, the engine is operating temperature or at the high ambient temperature. The needle is the further to right. Is illustration show the position on the indicator. The aligning and the timing bell tension at different temperature. Tension timing bell as follow. Turn the crankshaft careful. Timing bell is tension. Then I mentioned about then if you taste this one tension, you see this one also. The bell must be tension between intake cam pulley. The idle point. The idle point. Idle point, the crank point, hold the center. Screw. Indicator pass. Turn the eccentric back indicator. Electric secure tie center. Check the correction. I mentioned about the crankshaft to turn. Air cover. Engine. Yes, of course. That clear. Thank you for watching that. Thank you so much for watching.